going to say about Balakanda. Balakanda is written by Ramayana is written by Sri Maharshi Valmiki in Sanskrit. Mola and Skanda wrote Ramayana in Telugu. Tulsidas wrote Ramayana in Hindi. Valmiki is also known as Adikavi. First, he is one thief and robber. The seven sages kept his name as Valmiki. And Ramayana has 7 khandas. First one is Balakanda, Ayodhya Kanda, Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, Sundara Kanda, Yuddha Kanda and Uttara Kanda. Dasharatha was the king of Kosala. The ancient, it was known as Uttar Pradesh. Kosala's capital is Ayodhya. And Dasharatha's king had 3 wives. Their name is Kaushalya, Sumitra, Kaikeyi. He has everything. He respected all people and he had lived happily, but he didn't have children. One sage said him to do putra yagam. So he did that yagam, and on the fire, one fireball came outside and gave yagna and gave payasa. Dasharatha Maharaj gave this payasam to Kausalya and Kaikeyi. He didn't give it to Sumitra. Kausalya and Kaikeyi thought they are our sisters, only we should give her. They gave half and half. It became full, and so Kausalya has one eldest son. His name is Rama. Sumitra has 2 sons because both gave that payasam. So their name are Lakshmana and Shatrugna. And Kaikeyi has one son. His name is Bharata. Janaka Maharaja is the king of Midnanagara. Sita's mother name is Bhumata. His real mother name is Bhumata. She has one sister and 2 cousins. One sister name is Urmila and 2 cousin sisters name is Mandalika and Shrutakirti. At the same time, Ravana is the king of Lanka. He is very educated, but he is very cruel, and he did one yagna, and he asked no one can kill me with any weapons, but he said all the names, but he forgot to say 2 names. Those are men and monkeys and human beings. He forgot to say this, and he thought that what can they do? And he said no weapon is made by who will kill me, and he asked that. Jai